a glad welcome. You're watching Agrico's Talk. Today, let's see how simple it is to make a homemade rose can. For that, you need an oil can like this, and also take a shower head like this. It costs around 20 to 30 rupees. I found this old shower head in my storeroom, and a small piece of water pipe. Cut the pipe to a length of around 20 to 25 centimeters. Make a hole to the cap which should perfectly match the size of the pipe. Attach shower head to one end of the pipe and cap to the other end. If you still find some gaps like this, there is a product named M-Seal. It costs just 10 rupees. Take that and open it. You will find 2 packs. Mix both of them well. Roll it and fix it like this and let it dry for 1 to 2 hours. Last but not least, make sure that there is an opening like this on the top of the can for the free passage of water. It's not that I made this because it's unaffordable, but making things of my own is always a bit satisfying. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon for my further video updates.